Hey everyone, appreciate you watching. We are in northern Minnesota near the town of Orr, fishing Elephant Lake. Just a small little lake, just over 1,000 acres. Kind of way back in the woods here. Looks like there's one other truck back there in the parking lot. A few trucks going by. You basically turn down this, the parking's up top there, and then you come down this gravel road right here to the turnaround area and launch the boat. So you gotta walk a little bit to the parking lot. So visit gomidwestfishing.com. You'll see the best lake reviews on the web, including Elephant Lake. My name's Randy. You're watching Go Midwest Fishing. See, they got a nice concrete landing here and a wooden dock. Kind of put in right in this little channel, so it's nice and calm. Even my 18-foot boat fits in here. The road goes by right there. Hear a bunch of cars. And let's see. Here you go through a bunch of lily pads and it opens up into the larger lake. So let's get going. Got him. Let's see what's in here. Wow. There we go.
Crappie?
No, it's a bluegill. Or it's, yeah. No. We haven't seen a crappie yet, but that's what we got in here so far. Oh, here comes a pelican. Flying overhead. Ooh, sharp turn. Coming in for landing. They're so big, it's just funny. Alright, we're going down that next long finger. I think it's the elephant's leg or tusk or something. I'm not sure how the elephant plays out in this lake, but it's supposed to be looking like an elephant somehow. And it's really deep out in the middle there, or out in the main lake. It drops off, and then once you get in this little finger, it shallows out with a bunch of weeds. Take a look around here. So far we've had a bunch of hits, little smallmouth bass and whatever. They just won't commit. Bunch of nibbles at the end of our baits is all we've had. Oh, oh, Reggie's hooked up. Smallmouth. Look at him fighting. Oh, it's a northern. Bring him in here. Yeah. He's on the boards. Oh, we fell off right in the boat. What do you think? 20 inches? Look at the flies, man. The flies are horrible. They're eating our legs alive. Ooh, yeah, I was going to say 19. 19 inches. Very good. All right. First one in the boat. It's a northern. There he is. Oh, yeah. Northern, about your size.
They're good on landing on them, they're just not biting.
Yeah. Come right out of the middle of this finger here. Oh! Come here. God, they're fighters in here. They're big old fighters. Come here. Ready? In! Oh, he might beat you. He's a 20.
22.
He's over at 20. Ah, flies. Gotta hurry up for the flies eating you alive. Okay, you. Yep, 20 and a half. Whoa, make a big bow on him like he's huge. Yeah. Go find the big guys. Right there, coming out of the top of the finger. Whatever it is. Your perch, I think, might have been bigger. Oh, he's on! He's on! Oh, it's another northern. Yeah. Where's all the smallmouth? Man, they're fighters in here. Look at this. He just, you can run for my money. Show me your teeth. Come here. Oh. All right, 21. Maybe 20, 20 and a half. Let's see what we got. Oh, inch tail. He is 20 and a quarter. All right. Bye-bye. Nice one. He's a fighter. Oh, yeah, they just take off when they bite. All right, it's for you. Hey. Later, dude. Another one? You hit the honey hole. These are just little ones, but man, they fight. Oh, dude. Yeah! Oh, it is a bigger one. I can get it. Come here, dude. Into the net. Oh, nice one. 24. Nice fish.
Nice one.
Look at that. That is like coming off him. I don't know where it's coming from. You didn't hook him or nothing.
No.
Weird. Like he's bleeding through his scale.
There's one in. That would have been funny.
That would have been. Got one. Oh, is it a crappie? It's a crappie. Sweet. We caught a crappie, finally. We've been trying all week. Ooh, it just popped out.
This one.
He's a medium, yeah, average. Let's just see how long he has just to document it. Boom, boom. 9 inches. Cool. Wasn't even trying, just had it hanging overboard. Bye-bye. Oh. Oh, oh, nice one. Let me get a net. Luckily I still have it out. Oh, oh yeah, he does another beautiful fish. About the same size.
Yeah.
2.2. 2.1.
It's probably the same thing.
He keeps hitting it. Is he still on it? Or do I have him? Oh, I still have him. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Perch.
I got a perch. So I kept jerking. I'm like, no, I have him. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. Well, all right. Well, everything's biting right now. There, little dude. Yeah. Say bye-bye. All right, it's getting late. We're just gonna troll it back all the way to the landing. It was a fun little lake. Caught a bunch of little northerns. Reggie caught a couple, what, 23 and 24 inch northern. It's a couple bigger ones. There is some smallmouth bass in there. We had them on. They just didn't commit. Couldn't get them in the boat. And again, more perch in this lake. And I did catch a crappie. Wasn't trying too hard to catch them, but they are in here. I did see another boat on the back end there, and looked like they were catching crappies too. One word of caution, there is on the other side in the deep water, there's a sharp rise, like a big rock ledge right in the middle, just under the surface. It is not marked. There's like a homemade buoy there. It's real hard to see. But I'll mark where that is on the lake map at Golden Midwest Fishing Lake Reviews. You can find it there. I'll put the link down below. Other than that, I highly recommend this lake. It's a fun lake, and I'd come here and fish it again.